Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at a used Minnie Winnie 2018. This is a 26A 3-slide motorhome Class C. It's on the Ford chassis, which is the Triton V10 with a 6-speed transmission, which gives it really good fuel economy. It drives like a 26-footer. It lives like a 30-footer. We've got the push-button electric awning. We've got some great storage. Our propane tank up front here. Little storage pod here. Automatic water heater. Automatic heating and cooling. Another storage area here. Nice, decent one. This is a pretty good sized one right here. And this is that slide out that goes straight out the back that gives us a longer coach that we drive as a short coach. Easy access to our dump station. This has the Santa flush system on it, which is going to help reduce the odors and stuff inside the coach from the waste tanks. This is our living room slide here. Let's go inside and take a look on the inside of this. All the slides on this unit have slide toppers, which is really nice. Keeps all the debris and detritus and stuff off the top of the slide. Big TV, DVD in the front of the coach. Big overhead bunk. In our dash area, we've got our backup camera, AM/FM CD stereo system with USB, Pandora. Our standard Ford front end chassis. Love the booth dinette in this. You can get a large family gathered around here and have a good time, play cards, eat meals, etc. Or if it's just two people and you want to get in the corner and put your feet up and get really comfortable, it's set up to do that too. Decent sized kitchen in a 26A. Quite a bit of storage in our kitchen, above and below. This has got the microwave with the oven, 3-burner stove. If you'll notice, everything that Winnebago puts in a coach is held in place with steel. It's a very safe feature. Norcold refrigerator, my preferred style of refrigerator. Norcold's adjustable. We've got what's called a split bath. Shower on one side, sink and potty on the other. The nice thing about this door is it also acts as privacy for the bedroom. It's got a spring in the hinge. Back here, we've got our queen walk-around bed. On each side here, you can get around. Overhead storage above the bed. Little storage alongside the bed. And then this is that closet that pops out the side that gives you quite a bit of storage without taking up a whole lot of room. And this is a good sized drawer here. And one more. I'm Roger here at Guaranty in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. This is a 2018 used Minnie Winnie 26A. Thank you.